Let's quickly look at this pattern together. So here, this our shoe last with marks and our center line already drawn. So if you notice on the shoe last, I stop at the toe gap. This is it. So now from this heel part to inward is 3 inches. Okay, now we're going to take a measurement from that 3 inch this way, 2 centimeter. Just place your tape and make a mark of 2 centimeter inward. Okay, so now from this center line we draw, from this tip we're going to take a measurement of 1 centimeter to the left. This is 1 centimeter. Now we're going to connect this line somehow this way down to this 2 centimeter mark we made here. Okay, so it's just this way. We try and don't make it sharp, it's supposed to be curvy somehow. So this is what you're supposed to achieve. So making sure that the line is okay. If you're not okay, you can clean up and do it again. So we take another measurement upwards. From this place up is 4 centimeter. From here to here, 4 centimeter. So from this 4 centimeter we take another one to the inward again, 1.5 centimeter. That's here. Okay, so now we are connecting this line to this place. It's just a simple pattern. So just go ahead and draw this line to that toe gap where we stopped. All right, so make sure that while drawing this pattern that you are using the appropriate shoe last so that it will not be too difficult for you. This is a sandal, it's not a slippers that's easy for adjusting. So just drag this line all to the toe gap where we stop. Okay, so when you get to the toe gap, this particular place, from that center line to the left side, you notice that it has a little width, so that is 0.5 centimeter though. So that's where you will stop. Our pattern is ready, so we cut out this place. So now this place will be folded. This is where our ring will go. All right, so there is no other need of adding folding allowance. So when we fold it at our mark here, we are good. Okay, so now this is our plain paper. First we're going to draw a line, a very straight line. Then that's a guideline for placing our pattern so that it will be on a very straight line. Okay, nothing is curvy. So now I've placed this thing, and as you can see, it's just the two tips are on the line, straight line. So make sure that the two tips, the back and front, is on the straight line. Now what we're going to do is extend the tongue side, that's the toe side, the toe strap here, 0.5 centimeter. Then draw a straight line. Okay, to extend this, just a straight line. This for the last thing. Okay, so now here, don't make it sharp, just curve it out so that it looks pretty. Then this other side will be folded too. So our measurement from here to here is 1 centimeter. So we continue with that 1 centimeter upward. So after making the mark, connect the line, making sure that it aligns with the pattern we drew earlier. So as you can see, this pattern is ready as is ready. Then cut it out by 4 centimeter. That's where we'll cut it out for our folding. So this other side, you don't need to add any folding allowance, you already have one. So just trim it out and take note where you cut it out from. Okay, so that it's easy for you to fold. So now we are going to go ahead and fold this into two. That's the pattern. Fold it into two and cut it out. So I'll quickly do that like so. Use something to hold it and then trim it off. Okay, so this pattern is just very simple to achieve. Cut everything out. So this is what we have. So as you can see, our front pan is ready. So we're going to cut the small one that goes to the last and by the ankle side. So get a plain paper and draw a straight line. We'll be needing about 10 centimeter straight line. So after drawing the line, we'll take a measurement of 10 centimeter. All right, that's this is our 10 centimeter from this point. So let's divide it into 2, 6 and 4 centimeter. This is here. Okay, so now from this 4 centimeter point, we're going to take a measurement of 1.5 centimeter to our right here, and also down to our 10 centimeter point. Then use our ruler to connect the two mark we just made. Okay, then from that point again, the up one which made it the 4 centimeter part, take a measurement of 0.8 centimeter, then come down to the 4 centimeter point and take a measurement of 0.8. now we are connecting this also with our ruler. Then what we are going to do now is just to curve in this one into the 1.5 centimeter like so. So as you can see what I've done here, so make sure that the line is even and smooth. So once you are comfortable with what you've gotten here, or the shape or the curve in the way it is, you go ahead and fold it into two and cut it out. Okay, so this is up to you. It's going to have more than excess, but it's better than excess than small. So we are going to fold this into two on the straight line, then trim it out from the paper itself. Okay, so here I've trimmed it out and this is what we have. So this is for the ankle strap, lasting strap. So the one that goes to the back is just a long strap that connects to the ring as well. Okay, it's just long and come this way, while the buckle goes this way and come this way. All right, so now we will cut it. So I've cut all my leathers, and this longest one measured 28 centimeter, while this one measures 18 centimeter. This is the buckle strap. Okay, so this is our main pattern, and our rings and the ankle lasting leather also. So this one I've already applied my adhesive, so we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to fix it all. It's just very simple pattern to do. Okay, so now just insert the into the hook, into the ring, and fold it this way. It's just like this. Then now we will also fix it to our main pattern like so. Okay, so now the buckle strap will go one side, while the fastening stripe goes to the other side. So for the buckle side, for the right, is going to come from the inside. Okay, from the inside, so that when you wrap it, it goes out. That's for the right leg. Then the fastening comes from the outside and wrap around the the ankle and goes out again. So this is how it's going to be fixed. So now we will do for the buckle side now. So pick another ring and insert our lasting, that's our ankle lasting strap, then fix this one. So remember that we made a mark, so while folding these, make sure you make your mark very so that it will be even as possible. Okay, so now we are going to fix our buckle strap this other side. Okay, we're going to fix it this other side like so. Okay, so now this is what we should have, something like this. So as you can see, this one is the buckle which is inside, this one is the fastening strap which is outside. So it goes this way, this one comes this way, while we bend the center one this way and pass the strap this way. So now this is what you're supposed to achieve. Okay, so after fixing it this way, you're going to align it and sew it, line each and every one of them and then sew it. Okay, so that's just what to do. That's, you have to fold it like this before, then line each and every one of them and fold it. So before you fold and then line, make sure that everything stays in place. So let's go ahead and last it. So now I've prepared my insole. These are already insole that I usually use. So from here to here is 5 centimeters, then from here to here is 3 centimeters, then from here inward, from here to this place is 9 centimeters. So you can make your necessary adjustment depending on what you got. So you can fix it in your shoe last or on the leg. So this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so don't forget the tongue pipe also. So now after you have gotten everything right, we will go ahead and couple it. Okay, remember that this one, that the buckle is on the left side, it goes for the right hand side, while the one that the buckle is on the right hand side goes for the left leg. Okay, so we will go ahead and couple it and I'll come back and show you what I've gotten. So here I have coupled my footwear and this is how it looks. I didn't actually line it because this is just for the tutorial itself. Okay, so I'll go ahead and wear it and we'll see how it looks on the leg. So this is it, how it looks on the leg. I hope you're going to try this pattern, and it's very easy and simple to do. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you learn anything new, do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye.